Hello good people of the internet, my name is Hexa. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, or if you're just kind of new here and don't know a lot about me yet, let me do a quick little introduction. I'm from Romania, but I grew up in China. I lived there from age 3 until 20, and then in 2018 we left China and moved to Germany. And in today's video, I'm going to be putting together a little package to send to China to my friend Xing. I know that a lot of people are interested in the third culture kid experience and kind of just what life is like and what life perspectives are like for people who grew up in a different culture than their own, or who are living in a different culture than their own. So this video pretty much offers the perspective of what would a Romanian-born, Chinese-bred, Germany-based immigrant slash expat send back to China to culture share with their Chinese friends. That is the concept. I will be publishing this after Xing actually gets the package, so it's gonna be a while, but let's get into it. Got a big box to put everything in. It's actually probably not big enough for everything that I need to put in here. I need to find a bigger box, but anyways, let's start. I bought most of these things around Christmas time because that is the best time of year for sweets from Germany. So first up we have these gingerbread hearts, stars, and pretzels covered in dark chocolate. Weiche Lebkuchen. These were some of my absolute favorites when I was little. My mom has a really good friend, Sandra, who she met while she was studying Chinese in China at university, and my whole childhood Sandra was always sending us Christmas packages from Germany. So like it's kind of funny how now I've taken on the role of person sending people things from Germany. Next we have two little packs of domino stars. I don't know how to describe these. They have like a layer of something kind of like sponge cake, but I think it's a little like gingerbready flavored. And then it has a layer of jam. I think it's like apricot jam or something. And then it has another layer of another thing, which I really don't know how to describe. And then it's all covered in chocolate. They're very, very tasty. And yeah, again, these are like very typical like Christmas sweets to eat. I got her 2 boxes of winter edition after eights. They're just regular after eights with like cute packaging. This was something she specifically requested because when I was little, we've been friends since we were like 5. Whenever we would like go to Romania for the summer and then fly back to China, we would get after eights at the airport from duty free. After eights are like one of those things that is very reminiscent of me and Xing's childhood, because of course like we would buy them from the airport, bring them home to China and like share with her, and we would just like eat these after eights together. It brings back a lot of memories. We've got 3 little packs of Reese's peanut butter cups. Obviously these are not German, but I don't think you can find them in China, or at least I can't remember if you can find them in China. I don't think they're very common. You can definitely get them at the imported food store probably, but they are a little bit of a rare find, and it's one of our favorite sweets to eat now that we can find them more readily available. So yeah, Reese's peanut butter cups. We have some winter edition Oreo flavored Milka chocolate eggs. We have a little box of like different kinds of mini chocolates from the Milka brand. I promise there's more than just sweets in here, but there are a lot of sweets because who doesn't like sweets, right? We're sending her a box of Hanuta. These are little wafers filled with hazelnut cream and hazelnut chunks. Why can't I not say that word today? Hazelnut. We've got this little box of alcohol-filled chocolates that came with also a little separate bottle of alcohol stuck to the side. This is Eierlikör, which is kind of like eggnog, but like much stronger. I don't know if there's like an English word for Eierlikör. I'm gonna try to look it up, but I don't think there is such a word. What the heck? It says it's called Advocat with 2 A's. That cannot be right. Has anyone ever heard of this? Advocat. Advocat or Advocatenborrel is a traditional Dutch alcoholic beverage made from eggs, sugar, and brandy. Okay, now you know what it is. It's eggs, eggs, sugar, and brandy. So essentially like eggnog, but thicker. It is not German, it is Dutch. I did notice the writing on this is in Dutch. It's not a strictly German package. It's a European package. So yeah, we've got some Eierlikör filled pralines, and a little bottle of Irish liqueur on the side. 2 chocolate bars from Tony's Chocolonely. This is my absolute favorite chocolate brand that I've discovered since moving back to Europe. They're fair trade and they do a lot of great things as a brand, which I really appreciate. And the quality of the chocolate itself is really, really nice. It's really high quality and very tasty chocolate. We got one which is milk chocolate with creamy hazelnut crunch, and one which is white chocolate with raspberry flavored Pop Rocks. That's gonna be fun. We've got another little box of alcohol-filled chocolates. These are from Lindt and they are with plum punch. We have a little bag of German sesame pretzels. And then these are chocolate-covered gingerbread hearts with apricot jam inside. So, so good. We're almost out of the food category. All we have left is tea, so I'm sending her 2 tea advent calendars because Germany has a strong tea culture, China has a strong tea culture. Tsing Tsing studied in Australia and also mentioned that she enjoyed trying out the different kinds of tea that she could find in Australia, so I figured I'd send her some from Germany. So we have 1 tea advent calendar from Goldmünchen Tea, Winter Paradise, Sea Fruits, Yoga Veda Humor, something with berries, ginger lemon, chai, herbal, superfruits, Hüge tea, that's nice. Jaeger tea, I assume that's whatever they make Jägermeister with. I don't know, just lots of different ones. And then we also have another tea advent calendar from Cupper, which is also one of my favorites and includes a lot of nice flavors: lemon and ginger, cranberry and raspberry, wonderful morning, skinny vanilla, black currant and blueberry, zen balance, love me truly, little dreamer, green tea lemon, white tea raspberry, be happy, and night tea night. But yeah, these are great for like just being able to include and to try out a lot of different flavors of tea. So plus they are Christmassy themed, so I thought that would be really nice. I know her dad is also really into tea, so hopefully this is a gift for the whole family. I also have another tea that I'm sending her. This is one that I bought in the summer when I went to Sweden. It is Dala tea. I mean, it's mostly black tea from Sri Lanka, and then the rest is like local plants and herbs that are found in the Dalarna province of Sweden. Since we started with the Sweden theme with the tea, I'll also just show right now a couple of little things that I'm sending her from Sweden that I bought over there. I got her a little Dala horse fridge magnet. I think she has a collection of fridge magnets at home, so of course I wanted to add to that. And then I have several small ceramic horses from Sweden. I'm not sending all of them, but I have a couple to choose from. I haven't decided yet which one I'll send. I'll probably either send the white one or the blue one. Hold on. So white one, a little simpler, a little minimalistic design, but very cute. Blue one, also absolutely adorable. And then we have 2 teeny tiny ones, and red and pink. Aren't they so cute? I'll have to think about that and decide which one I want to send her. Now let's get into our non-edible gifts from Germany. I got her a Christmas market mug from the Hamburg Christmas market and another Christmas market mug from the Lübeck Christmas market. I just thought these are like really cute little souvenir ideas. My mom picked out and decided to send these super cute paper napkins with like little pink elves on it. It's very adorable. Kind of a random gift, but super cute. For Tsing Tsing's mom, my mom picked out these little vitamin C skincare ampules. We also decided to get her this hand balm, which is really good for like extremely dry skin in the winter, because Tsing Tsing's mom does struggle with like irritation and dryness in the winter. There's also another little hand cream here that looks like a bell. Isn't it adorable? I picked out 2 shower gels. This is like my absolute favorite shower gel brand that I've discovered in Germany. It is not like an expensive brand. It's just a regular drugstore brand, but these scents are so amazing. It smells like something you would get from like a high-end store. It smells like something from Rituals or whatever. This is the Thailand Feeling. This is my I don't know. It's so hard to choose between these 2. I love both of them. This one is with almond milk, orange blossoms and bamboo. It smells so divine. And this other one is Scandinavian memories, which I think is quite apt since I'm including gifts from Scandinavia in this package. This one is with oat milk, sandalwood, and moltebeere, which I do not know what that is in English. Cloudberry? What? Cloudberry. That is a real thing. Okay, that's cloudberry. But yeah, this one is kind of like a cozy, slightly sweet sort of smell. Very, very pleasant. And then some more little kind of skincare, self-care gifts for the whole family. We bought 4 little foot masks. These are like little, you know, socks that you put on, and they have a serum in it. Some of them are made for like callus removal. Like they make your feet essentially peel away all the dead skin, and then some of them are just nourishing and for like moisture and hydration. And then we also have 2 hand masks, and these are more likely going to be for Jing's mom. At one of the Christmas markets we went to, I bought these 2 rings that are in kind of a Celtic kind of style, and I'm gonna send one to Jing and keep one for myself so that we kind of have matching rings. I just thought it was a really cute, simple design. Haven't decided yet which one to keep and which one to send, but I hope she likes hers. Now we are down to our last item. This is something that I bought literally like a couple of years ago, and I've just been keeping it, knowing that I would send it to Jing. It's, I'm not gonna lie, it's taken me a while to send a package over, and I feel very guilty about it. It's just like my analysis paralysis procrastination thing, because I get so like worked up wanting everything to be perfect, and then I just like go into avoidance mode. But I got this a really long time ago, and I knew I was gonna send it to her, and I really hope she loves it because I have one too, and I think it is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Me and Jing are both tigers in the Chinese zodiac. Our birthdays are like literally a week apart, and so I got her this tiger knot wrap from Lush. I bought so many of these because legit this is the most gorgeous thing I have ever seen. So I have one on my wall. I gave one to my grandparents. I gave one to my aunt, who is not really my aunt. She's actually, I think, my second cousin, because she's my mom's cousin, so she's my second cousin, but I think of her as my aunt because, I don't know, that's just more the type of relationship we have. And then I think I still have 2 other spares. But yeah, I knew I was gonna send one to Jing because we're both tigers, and I just wanted her to have this so she could, I don't know, put it up on her wall or use it as a tablecloth or whatever she wants to do with it. And just see this and remember to be brave, strong, and fierce like a tiger. And also maybe that it hopefully reminds her of me, because we are, you know, both tigers, and it's another one of those just little things that we share. This is from Lush. I don't know if I mentioned, it's a Lush knot wrap. They did it for the Year of the Tiger collection a couple years back, and wow, they really knocked it out of the park with this one. This design is so absolutely gorgeous. My compliments to the artist. It is beautiful. Oh, and then I have one more little thing. I didn't bring it here. I gotta go get it. Hey, Mocha. We have one single solitary gift from Romania. This is a little fridge magnet, a wooden fridge magnet with a Romanian ie, which is the name of this like traditional Romanian embroidered shirt. But that was it for this little care package, a very international selection of gifts that I'm sending to China for my friend Jing and her family. Let me know what you thought. If you have any questions about any of these items, if you're from Germany, what would you have sent in a care package abroad? I'd love to know if you have any suggestions for next time, if there's anything important you think I have missed. Sending packages abroad to friends and family is like an expat/immigrant rite of passage. And I'm very happy that I get to participate in this tradition. Mocha, do you want to come here? Big stitch, all belly flop on the floor. Mocha and Jing are very good friends. She and her family used to take care of Mocha when we flew back to Romania for the summer. So it's only right that she is briefly featured in this video. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you found it interesting or just fun to watch. I hope Ting Ting loves it. I hope you guys think it's a good package, a good little selection of gifts. Very heavy on the snacks, I must say, but I mean, food is one of the best things about an international experience, right? Oh god, what are you doing over there? Do fight. Oh, good girl. Look, you sit so good. Bravo, Mocha. Yeah. You are such a good co-host. Oh. I don't know why she likes to sit here, like right in this corner by the door. I never know why. She used to hide her treats here, but there's no treats here right now, Mocha. Maybe just the carpet smells nice from all the treats you hid before. Okay, I won't keep this going any longer. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave me a comment with a suggestion down below if you want to see any more kind of third culture kid themed videos or videos about China or Germany or Romania and like the differences, the different like life experiences and what it's like living in each country. I'd love to do more videos about that, but it's just like I don't really know where to start. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!